The CoastShade Gazebo Canopy netting kit is a versatile solution designed to fit most 10-foot by 10-foot, 10-foot by 12-foot, and 8-foot by 8-foot gazebo frames, including both hardtop and fabric soft-top models. Constructed from 100% polyester fabric, this netting kit meets the CPAI-84 US standard for fire retardancy, ensuring safety and durability. Installation is straightforward, with Velcro attachments that secure the side walls to the canopy and round holes that perfectly align with your gazebo frame. The encrypted netting design, combined with a two-way zipper, effectively keeps insects out while enhancing privacy for a more enjoyable outdoor experience. Convenient straps are included to fasten the netting curtain to the posts, ensuring it stays in place even during use. Customer satisfaction is a priority, and CoastShade guarantees your complete satisfaction with the mosquito netting screen walls, offering support via email if the product does not fit well with your gazebo.